We are back at it again at the gym at Madhouse. You can't see the gym because I'm still in the car. But we're gonna hit shoulders and triceps. We're gonna do a little bit of superset of each, so shoulder, triceps, supersetting both. I'm working out with Monica today from ZOB, so I hope that you enjoy this little video of some shoulders and triceps. But before we get started, make sure that we do some pump, yes, and some pre-workout. I am doing the Bubblicious Lightning Lemonade and then the Peach Pump from Ghost. So that's what I'm gonna do. And if you guys are interested in getting your hands on some Ghost lifestyle products, you already know that your girl's got your back, saving you that cash money with 20% off by using my code CATV. K-A-T, CATV, up there, boom, right there for you. And it also does support me, so I really do appreciate that, you guys. I really appreciate it. Let's take it to the dome though. So I'm gonna go in there with her. Take it to the dome. Boom. Try for 30. We're about to do some shoulder presses, 30 pounds. Probably not 12 reps, a little less, but we'll see what we can get.
That's a shoulder.
The pump! That's a shoulder, my
That's
guy.
a shoulder right there.
Tricep.
Shredded?
Shredded who? Are we competing? Are we competing? I don't know. So we have rear delts, and then we're supersetting with the rope pull downs. Usually I like to do rear delts a little bit earlier on in the workout, but because everything was over there, we kind of just switched it up. That because it's like my rear delts are a little weaker, so I want to use the strength that I have to do rear delts first.
We're doing them at the end.
Now we're doing it at the end, so we're gonna be super weak. So hopefully we don't like die. Exactly. Hopefully we can still activate the rear delt. Let's do it. Delts are super fatigued, focusing on doing a little bit of a pause at the top of the movement so that I really think about that muscle and mind connecting. This is where the mind and the muscle connect. Really think about that, especially because they're so fatigued right now. For me, it's key to like making sure that I am very precise with that. Triceps are so fatigued right now. Like when I'm doing the triceps, I make sure that at the bottom, I'm like really twisting at the bottom to like really flex that. Just because it's the last one, we're gonna do drop set. So y'all know how it goes. Really burn out the triceps for last little hurrah. So let's do it.